the on-screen instructions. Hi, welcome to the video. In this video, we will see the complete walkthrough of the Magic Lookup extension for Zoho Sheet. With this extension, you can easily update the Zoho CRM fields based on the Zoho Sheet data. Now let's see how the extension works. First, install the extension from Zoho Marketplace. Follow the on-screen instructions for a seamless installation process. Once the installation is complete, access the extension by navigating to the menu bar and selecting Zoho Sheet's Lookup. The integration window will be displayed. Here, click on the Connect button corresponding to the Zoho Sheet. Click on Accept to allow the VLOOKUP to access your Zoho account. Now click on the Authorize button corresponding to the Zoho CRM. Then click on Accept. The home page of the VLOOKUP extension will be displayed. First, configure the settings to update the CRM fields based on Zoho Sheet. For that, navigate to the New Configuration tab. Enter the desired workflow name. Then select the Zoho CRM module from the drop-down. Here I choose the Contact module. Next, select the CRM field for lookup that is based on which you need to update the record. I choose Mailing State. Then select the desired CRM field that needs to be updated. I need to update the Contact Owner field. In the Select Zoho Sheet field, all the Zoho Sheets of your Zoho account will be listed. Here select your desired Zoho Sheet from which you need to fetch the field to be updated and the rows of the desired field. Now choose the Sheet field for lookup. Here you can select the field header of Zoho Sheet based on which you need to update it in the Zoho CRM. For example, the header field is related to the CRM lookup field. I select Mailing State as my CRM lookup field. On my selected Zoho Sheet, it will fetch the desired row with the header titled Mailing State. In the Sheet field to update, select the Zoho Sheet field that you want to update in the Zoho CRM. Here I select Email ID. Once done with the configuration, click on Submit. Let's check out how the extension works. For that, I am creating a new contact. Once the contact is created, the workflow triggers and updates the Contact Owner field of the Zoho CRM. That is, it will fetch the desired row with the field header Mailing State and update the Contact Owner field with the corresponding email ID. To check the updated field status, navigate to the Audit section. It shows all the success and failure statuses of the updated records in detail. This is all you need to know about the Magic Lookup extension for Zoho CRM. Hope this video will be helpful.